Okay, we hired an Italian van and took it around Tasmania because Kelsey
Hello.
enjoys planning road trips. And this road trip, spoiler alert, was a good one. What you're about to watch is a part of that road trip around Tasmania, which took weeks of planning, 3 weeks of travelling, and months of editing. This is editing me. So here's some of our Tasmanian road trip. Kelsey, what was your highlight? Actually, count down from 3 and then we'll just say our highlights.
At the same time?
Yeah, at the same time. Kelsey, what was your highlight? 3, 2,
Two,
1.
one.
Raspberries.
Liffey Falls.
Oh, okay, that was different things. Okay, 3,
3, 2, 1.
Raspberries.
Raspberries.
What was raspberries your highlight, Kelsey?
They're like lollies here.
Wow, correct. They
So
are
sweet.
so sweet.
And plump. They're so good. From Christmas. It was so good. But if I had to have a second highlight, then that would be Liffey Falls.
Luckily, you don't get a
Because-
second highlight.
Because Liffey Falls, wasn't it just great? We just walked down there and we just sat there listening to the falls, watching the falls. It was just so peaceful down there
Yeah, those were our highlights for
today.
It is Saturday, the 4th of January, and we've woken up here outside of Bunnings Warehouse. The van suffered a catastrophic handbrake snappage or something to that effect yesterday, so we've had the park here. This is the flattest car park we could find here in Launceston, not to be confused with Launceston in the UK. We've just dropped the van off, Mersey tyres and mechanical. We're heading out with our laundry. Going to do some laundry at the laundromat. Very busy morning. Okay, I'm underneath the van here. It's not a very high van, but I'm underneath the van and I'm adjusting the handbrake. Well, repairing the handbrake. There's a little wee bracket inside there. It slipped out of this plastic thing here and we lost handbrake. I'm up on a curb here. After seeing a mechanic, the mechanic said this is the problem. So cool, went and had it fixed, except he didn't fix it very well. The actual fault was a plate slipping out of the bracket, the plastic bracket, and now we have repaired the plastic bracket with the plate back in the plastic bracket, and we should be good to go. Kelsey, we're going to see if this works. And we're off with a working handbrake.
Start workout.
Start workout. We're going this way? Yes, we will go this way. Start upper car park, walk down to the falls, and then hike back up.
Nice.
And when we get back here, there's a big tree over there that we need to go and look at by the toilets.
Big tree.
Big tree. We're off to see some waterfalls. I'm not going to like coming up this.
She likes going down the hill.
I do.
What are we walking to?
Liffey Falls.
Yes.
That's all I got for you. I think there's a few different tiers on the way down to give you some good views of it. But they're quite tall and straight.
It's like a room. Glasses. Oh. And we are here at Liffey Falls.
Liffey, yeah.
We're here at Liffey Falls.
Liffey?
Looks quite neat. Well, the water's fresh.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's quite cold. That's cool.
Parkour.
Hardcore parkour. What do you think of that, Kelsey?
Oh, it's very cool. Maybe ask me when I'm at the top of the hill though.
Okay.
Just
Bottom of the hill, Kelsey says that was very cool. What did the top of the hill, Kelsey, think of that?
Oh, that last push was tough. I have zero energy. Oh, there it is.
Here it is. That is There's a big tree. Ooh, this is not wide enough for two. Oh, there you go.
Thanks. Brown top something, eucalyptus. Uh-oh.
Sneezed. That was right at my face.
Brown top, stringy bark eucalyptus. 50 metres.
Diameter 3.4. Pretty big.
I think it's big. It's a bit knobbly, isn't it? Oh, there's a big old ant.
Does it look as big around from the other side?
I possibly just walked through a spider's web.
Spiders around the other side of the tree.
Oh.
It's creaking. This is a big tree. It's a real big tree. You can touch it. That's how real it is. Wrap time.
Yeah.
Yeah, spicy than I remember.
Pyrenees.
Yeah, tomato, salami, Pyrenees, wrap. Simple, easy.
So that was Liffey Falls, and now we're heading to Deloraine, which is a small little town which has a trail, a sculpture trail. So we're heading to the sculpture trail now. It's about half an hour away. And it looks like this. Orbs.
Ah, the orbs?
Orbs.
Not just big balls?
They might be big balls. Let's see what this one says.
Oh.
Constellation, 6 spheres made of coloured polymer concrete.
Oh, this is quite nice. There's a bit camping ground.
Yeah. This feels like it's only just been built. It's called High and Dry. The work is a large cushion constructed from aluminium.
Stuff on a nut. Oh.
Jimmy Possum. Oh no.
First train. Winchester to Deloraine, February 10, 1871. First train. Tasmania, that's cool. That's interesting. Something I did not know. Australian train. And everything is missing.
Look at the mountain man over there.
That was the busiest raspberry shop I've ever been into.
Would you like to taste a raspberry?
Oh, I'd like to taste the raspberry.
We got a top as well.
Hang on.
Okay.
Raspberry?
Oh, they look juicy.
Oh.
Yep.
Wow. That's pretty nice.
I do like a hiking trail. But what's better than a hiking trail?
A food trail?
A taste trail.
Oh, a taste trail. Ah! That's the answer, a taste trail. We are on a taste trail. The trail goes from that side of the road to this side of the road.
The berry and the honey. How much? Melting quick. Hopefully we like
This is a pepperberry and leatherwood honey ice cream.
I should have asked to try it.
That's pretty good.
That's okay.
This is a leatherwood tree. That is the source of the Tasmanian leatherwood honey, which is in the ice cream.
Great.
Comes from a large white flower. At this time of year, there's not many flowers up there. Leatherwood honey goes quite well with the pepperberry. That was the Van Diemen's Land Creamery.
Yeah,
White
a
cream.
very obscure flavour.
It was okay. Yes.
I'm glad we tried it.
The first bite was amazing. Just didn't have a lasting brilliance. I do feel like having another raspberry though. Raspberry time. Mmm.
I will have 2 more.
Those are really good. We're going to get some cheese. Cheese time. Ooh, Ashgroves for cheese. Quite informative.
Cameron, what is it in blue cheese that you can't eat? Thank you so much. Cheers. So all of those cheeses.
Here we go. Oh, this is really cool. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh look.
That is a calcium.
I wish we saw the big packets of cheese. I would have just eaten the cheese plain without the crackers.
And now we're off to Devonport.
Devonport. Yep.
So we didn't quite get to Devonport, but I did find some trains. This is neat. But we are coming back here tomorrow. I'll have a good look around then. Tasmanian trains. Neat. Didn't quite get to Devonport because of the trains, but we are going to the Speedway. We thought we were going to Speedway, but apparently Speedway is...
It's actually on in Hobart, not Latrobe.
So we got 21 minutes to get to Hobart.
We actually probably could make the last ride. We're not going to do that.
Oh, okay. Darren Tilton's.
Tell us how you really feel, Erin. We're at the Mersey Bluff Lighthouse, I think it's called. And this is what I wanted to go and see. instead of going to the railway before Speedway. But Speedway's not on, so we drove here past the fairground. I also quashed those ideas because Erin wasn't going to win me anything. But here we are at the Lighthouse. Oh, it's a good looking lighthouse. It's a beautiful thing at Lighthouse. It's got a good vibe. I like the colours, I like the vertical stripe. It's quite short. You can get a good photo. The cloud behind it, the landscape.
Oh, 1 to 10, how would you rate this
I
one?
think this is a 7. It's a beautiful thing. That's all I've got for you today.
These are all very good points. Tonight's shower was brought to you by the outdoor shower at the beach, which is quite fresh. Not very warm. We have just finished a nice stroll along the beach, shower at a beach as well. Kelsey's just back there brushing her teeth, and we are staying at a place called Forth tonight. Staying next to this brick wall, next to this Aussie rules field. We got some neat footage of the Spirit of Tasmania leaving Devonport and heading up to mainland Australia. This is pretty much the end of our day. Until tomorrow.